Good morning or evening or whatever time of the place it is where you guys are. Today we're going over, as we see here, our first chem practical, titration of HCl against NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Principle. Titration of HCl with NaOH, as said before. As you can see, this is a rough drawing of the whole setup. We're going to be pouring or slowly dropping NaOH into the HCl bottle, and then a flask containing HCl, and seeing the color change that occurs. When that happens, what we're doing is HCl is actually a strong acid. It's one of the strongest, but a pH of like 1, I believe, and NaOH is like up there above 11 or 12 in terms of pH. And then that reaction will produce HCl plus NaOH, which will give us the OH goes to the H here, which becomes the famous
H2O that we all drink.
And NaCl becomes basically salt water is a reaction of this. And the reaction is carried out in the titration point. It's predominantly an indicator showing us the color change phase. So what we're going to do right now is prepare a solution of NaOH, prepare a solution of HCl, titrate both of them against each other, see the volume of NaOH required to satisfy the volume of HCl. Even though technically we're preparing the solution, we know the volume, but to confirm our experiment's working, we'll have to calculate it. And from that, we can determine where the equivalence point was. Equivalence points will be determined by the volume of NaOH having to be empty.
Because both NaOH and HCl both are in 1:1 ratio. अगर आप लोगों reaction देख रहे हो, then that also is what makes sense over here, right? Because we find the point where number of moles for both things are equal, basically. Carry on, I'm sorry.
And now I'll show you guys how to prepare the NaOH.